In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Bank of America credit card online, approximately 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Before we begin, make sure you have your new card handy and access to your online banking credentials. If you haven't created an online banking account yet, don't worry, I'll walk you through what to do so you can finish activation smoothly. First, open your browser and search for Activate Bank of America credit card. From the results, choose the official Bank of America activation page. Double check that you're on the legitimate site by looking for the padlock icon in the address bar and confirming the web address belongs to Bank of America. This helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your information secure. Once you're on the activation page, sign into your online banking, enter your user ID or the email you use for online banking along with your password, then select login. For your safety, never share your password with anyone and only enter it on the official website. You may be asked to complete a quick security check, like a verification code. That's normal. After you successfully sign in, your card is activated automatically. You should see a confirmation on the screen or notice that your new card appears as active in your account. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh your account overview or sign out and back in to verify the status. If you don't already have an online banking account, choose the option to enroll in online banking on the same page. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. You'll be guided to verify your identity, set up a user ID and password, and link your new credit card to your profile. Keep your card nearby during enrollment as you may need details from the card. Once enrollment is complete, the site will activate your card as part of that process, so there's no separate activation step required. A quick but important reminder, simply receiving your physical card does not activate it. You must complete the sign-in or enrollment steps online for it to work. If you run into a timeout or an error message, try a different browser, clear your cache, or wait a few minutes and try again. And if you need help, use the customer service number printed on the back of your card for official support. That's it. Your Bank of America credit card is now ready to use. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section while you complete your activation.